It's just, we all have a lot of laughs. Fuck off, Janet. I'm not going to your fucking baby shower.
The best thing about that was that after that, cars were pulling up and looking over to see who just did that piece of shit move, expecting to see like a 100-year-old blind dog who's texting while driving and drinking a smoothie. Instead, they see a 28-year-old healthy man trying his best.
Hey, bro, what do you want to eat?
The souls of the innocent.
A bagel.
No!
2 bagels.
Oh my God, Jesus H. Christ. Fuck, he's dead.
Well, there's no time like the present.
Damn it.
I'll catch your worm for you. That is, if you're willing to pay.
No! You'll never get a cent out of me! Never! I'd rather that worm come in here right now and eat you all alive!